Welcome back. We have a look at those current winds outside for you right now. It looks like these conditions are fairly calm at the moment. Things are going to change here pretty quickly for this morning. Some of these winds will really start to ramp up, and this wind forecast really shows just that. As you can see, some areas in the Santa Maria Valley close to about 20-mile-per-hour winds by 10 o'clock this morning. Picks up a little bit more for areas like Solvang and Lompoc and towards our south coast region as well. Looking ahead to your afternoon, these winds will primarily stay between about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And later tonight, they taper off just a little bit, but by Tuesday, they're still going to be a factor in your forecast. Some of these wind gusts close to about 25 to 30 miles per hour. And you can see that just how much this map starts to light up by Tuesday afternoon, even Tuesday evening. We are talking about rain this week, off and on showers expected on Thursday. Some of these rainfall amounts ranging from 1/4 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. But as we get into the mountains and foothills, we could see over an inch of rain. And this even goes for areas along our south coast region too, in places like Gaviota. And right now, those rainfall rates should not pose any concern for those recent burn areas, especially in Santa Barbara County, but it's something we will continue to monitor closely. A look at your microclimate model does show that we do have some cloud cover near the north coast region by about 10 o'clock this morning and parts of our inland valley communities in northern SLO County. But going into the rest of the afternoon, you can see that it does start to clear up, and we can thank the winds for that. This will again be the case for Tuesday. Some cloud cover in the morning, but then those winds will start to push it off the coastline here. It really does start to clear up. We're looking at mostly clear skies for today, tomorrow, Wednesday as well. But later Wednesday night, that's when we're going to see some increasing cloud cover all ahead of the rain that we're anticipating. You can see that right off the coast here and making its way over places like Cambria, maybe even Paso Robles too, early Thursday morning. Satellite radar does show we do have those clear conditions, but if you take a look at your watches and warnings, high surf advisory is in effect for today. This is for San Luis Obispo County and Santa Barbara County's coastline here. You can see it's that northern portion in purple. This morning, those breaking waves, they'll be from about 8 to 12 feet. They do start to diminish by this afternoon, being from about 6 to 10 feet, and then we will still have those strong rip currents. This is going to expire by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Also at the coast in Pismo Beach, cooler temperatures once again this morning, staying close to the upper 50s through about noon. And as the temperatures start to increase, we'll start to see those winds increase as well, getting pretty close to about 15 miles per hour at their peak in Pismo. A look at those daytime highs show really not much is changing with your temperatures today. We're going to see these consistent daytime highs through the end of your week. So what you can gather here is that for those inland valleys, we're pretty close to about the low to mid 50s. Other parts of the central coast, like our coastal valleys and beaches, those areas are going to stay close to the low to mid 60s. I'll send it back to you.